News and the Raycom News Network, Alabama's news source.
And welcome back to Alabama Live on this Thursday. It's called Reach Your Potential. That's the name of a local scholarship given to two talented high school students in the River region. The award is presented by Potential Magazine, and publisher Pam Mashburn joins us right now with one of the recipients. Brittany Urquhart joins us right now along with her mom, Gina, and we appreciate all of you guys coming on today.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for being here. Pam, originally tell us about this scholarship. How'd you come up with it?
We launched a new magazine for parents of college-bound teenagers in October, and we did a soft launch here in Montgomery. And we had local community leaders and their schools in the area nominate deserving teenagers. So we've done 19 spotlights in our magazine, and we had a scholarship board that decided who they thought deserved our Reach Your Potential scholarship. And we actually are super jazzed because we were able to award that to two deserving seniors this year.
I'm guessing everyone who applied was probably outstanding. What were some of the things that you were looking for, and what made her and the other young lady stand out?
Well, we were looking for different areas where kids have really tried to reach their potential, whether it was in philanthropic or sports or academics, or even in entrepreneurial exercises. So, and leadership. So we were really looking at a lot of different areas, and we really had all kinds of different kids apply. The thing that we were most excited about is the magazine is for parents, and so not only did we get to look at these great teenagers, but we got to ask their parents for wise words so that we could all learn from them.
Mom knows best. We all know that for sure. Brittany, tell us a little bit about yourself at Alabama Christian Academy. You are a senior. Tell me about some of the things that you were involved in. You must have impressed them.
I'm involved with National Honor Society, Mu Alpha Theta, which is the math club. I'm in SALT, which is the Student Action Leadership Team. I'm a cheerleader, and I've been doing that for 6 years now. And I participate in the track and field team.
Now, what are your plans next year as you're kind of winding up your high school career?
Well, I am planning on starting Auburn University in Montgomery next week, actually, and just getting a head start on everything.
You are getting a head start. That's like for first summer session, isn't it?
It is.
You're not wasting any time, are you?
Sir.
Well, that's
just
good. Now, Mom, tell me about, I know you have to be very proud of your daughter, but her high school career and what she's been able to do in it, and what's it like to see her get recognized and get a scholarship award?
Oh, we are very proud of Brittany, and she's always done well in school, and she's got a full scholarship to AUM, so we're very proud of her.
Yeah, that is excellent. Yes. Talk about kind of the mother-daughter relationship and how important it is to stay involved in your child's life as they're kind of going through those high school years. They can be tough whether it's boy or girl.
Right, it can, but we've always been very close, and I'm just proud of her.
Well, we are too. And Pam, tell us a little bit more about the magazine. I know you said you guys kind of did a little soft launch here in the area. Are we going to expect to see a scholarship like this every year?
Yes, we are. And we're hoping to make it a little bit higher monetary value. But we're also going to be launching statewide in August for all of Alabama so that we can look at spotlights from 4 different regions.
Excellent.
So yeah, we have, Alabama's got some great things going on. Montgomery especially does, and we're really proud to show this. You know, we have some great kids, and in the news, sometimes we just hear about the kids that are going wayward. But we have some kids that are doing some amazing things, and we really want to highlight that.
We would love to hear more from them.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your scholarship. Good luck in college next week.
Yeah.
What happened to summer? You don't need it?
No, 2 days.
Okay.
Hey,
well, enjoy your 2 days of summer.
One more thing. We wanted to give Brittany something to help her remember that she's reached her potential and to keep going for it. And also, Molly Catherine Brown, who's taken final exams, is not able to be here, but she'll also get one. And then for each of the parents, we've got lunch for them to award them for all the hard work that they do behind the scenes for these kids. And so that'll be at Sinclair's, which is a local favorite. So
thank all of you guys for coming in. Congratulations. Good luck in college. Good job, Mom. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming. And still to come, the publisher Potential Magazine, Pam Mashburn, is back. She is sticking around, has the perfect gift ideas. If you have a graduate, a high school graduate in your life, and you're wondering what to get them, well, she can help.